Are Ellis and Parker's shoes the next big thing? Or is this just another online shopping nightmare? I dove deep into what real customers have to say in 2026, and honestly, you need to hear this before you spend a dime. First off, let's talk about their so-called return policy. Sounds simple, right? Not so fast. According to dozens of reviews on Trustpilot and Reddit, if you try to send something back, even if it showed up the wrong size or totally beat up, you're in for a headache. They'll ask you to mail the shoes all the way to China or the US, even if they shipped from the UK. And guess who covers the shipping? Yep, that's on you. Now, let's say you actually get a hold of customer service. Well, good luck with that. Tons of people on Facebook are saying emails go ignored. Or worse, they get blocked completely once they mention a refund. And if the company does respond, many report getting offered just 50% back, and you have to keep the junky shoes. Speaking of the shoes, let's get into quality. The website shows gorgeous, high-end leather. Customers, though, they're getting thin, plastic-feeling shoes that look nothing like the ads. Sizing is all over the place, with some pairs missing any branding at all. Imagine waiting weeks for your order, just to get shoes with loose threads or missing buttons. And here's a huge red flag. The company keeps changing its name. What was Sophie's Footwear is now Ellis & Parker. Or sometimes Ellis & Porter. That's classic scam behavior, trying to dodge all those negative reviews. So, if you want real shoes from a legit brand, try Perry Ellis or Ellis Brigham Mountain Sports. Both have strong reputations and thousands of good reviews. Bottom line, if a deal looks too good to be true, it probably